just be cheaper to buy a mop bucket? Another day at Long Island Rim. Wouldn't it be cheaper just to buy another mop bucket instead of grinding it down, Carl? Carl. This guy.
Father!
Still don't fit, Carl.
It fits, bitch boy. Get closer.
Buy a new mop bucket.
No, never.
They're $30.
Never.
Yet again. He's still not done with it. It's a sad, sad shame. See all these pieces of the mop bucket? Very cheap this time. Very, very cheap. This guy's very cheap. It still doesn't work. He's shaving down the mop bucket with a sander. He's shaving down the mop bucket with a sander so to fit on a bucket that don't fit. Will it work this time? Back to the grinder.